Alright, I got it burning. The gas valve was turned off. I don't know why the gas valve was turned off. But I turned it back on. Still didn't want to light, so I pulled the burner assembly out a little bit, and it is, if you look here, you see all the rust back in here. It is, and put my finger down in here, and all that insulation is, you can see the wet there. There's water in the bottom of the water heater. Yeah, you can see it's starting to drip on it now. I wonder if it's getting condensation dripping down, putting that fire out. It may be that this thing being in an outside room there, although I don't see that happen very often, but you can see what it's doing to the fire right now, because all of the water that got in there, it's creating condensation. It's creating steam, which is condensing on the vent pipe and then dripping back down onto the burner. I don't know if this will stay going or not. Actually, you can see right there where water's hit on the inside there. You can see the water hitting the thing there. So this probably gonna have to change this puppy out, and there's no way to get the water out from under it. Yep, see the water hitting the wind. It's just dripping down on the flame.